days, making restaurant quality garlic Parmesan boneless wings at home is a total breeze. Stay tuned for an astonishing special trick that will help you achieve that restaurant style crispness that we all know and love. Imagine the surprise on your family's face when they learn that these wings are homemade and not from your local wings joint. Everything you need is just a click away in the description. So come on and let's get cooking. We're gonna begin by cutting up our chicken into bite-sized pieces. Now we're gonna season our flour, and I'm using garlic salt, seasoning salt, and smoked paprika. We're gonna give that a nice little mix. Okay, y'all, so the key to making them crispy is to remove some flour and mix in milk to create small clumps. Now onto the eggs. I'm gonna whisk them together and I'm gonna just add a splash of milk. Now we're gonna bread the chicken by dunking them in the eggs and then into the flour. A quick tip, use separate hands for wet and dry ingredients to stay clean. Cover them up and let them sit in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Now it's time to get saucy, so we're gonna start by peeling and cutting up our garlic. In a saucepan, add butter and a splash of olive oil to prevent browning. Go ahead and throw in your garlic and cook until the garlic infuses the butter. Now to add your milk and cream and a handful of Parmesan cheese. Go ahead and give it a quick mix and then cook it until it becomes a sauce. Melt in some butter to create a silky smooth sauce. Season your sauce with pepper and garlic and you're on to the next step. For this last step, all you have to do is fry up your chicken until it's golden brown. So I use a large bowl to coat all the chicken with the sauce. These wings are so delicious, and you can make all types of sauces with them. Make them at home and let me know how they turned out in the comments. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a recipe. Next up, we're cooking chicken pot pie. Watch this next video to learn how to make it.